books.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, I think
a lot closer to getting his done.
I'm going to get my motherfucking thing done by the end of this year. So if you want to help me with that, that'd be awesome. It is called From Foster Care to Millionaire. So
Wow.
yeah, I'm very excited to release that book. Honestly, that is part of my depression. Writing that book has been, I found out that my counselor actually said that's a very like way to get over your emotional baggage because you're writing it out. And then I noticed that I was writing, I'm like, okay, I'm writing this as if I'm a hero. And I had to go back and write it about what actually happened and what I felt in the moment. And I realized that my memory was there, but I didn't actually remember it. I suppressed it. And so then going back and feeling it and remembering it has been an interesting thing. And honestly, I just said a lot of stuff in that book. So I thought I was going to make a book of like this tactful, like hero's journey. And then like, I'm going to tell you exactly how to become wealthy. And then I start writing the book and I'm like, it was more of like an emotional, like telling you my story about what happened, how I got to where I'm at, the mindset shift and what happened and the positive and the negatives of mindset. Because when you get it like a strong mindset, sometimes that comes as a detriment to a lot of other areas. And so I kind of just talk about the positives and the negatives about trauma because it did create a freaking really strong person, but it came at some baggage with it. So
Do you know when you're going to release that?
I don't have a for sure date, but right now I'm in first phase of editing. I just got it back, so I'm working through all the different edits they have. I already went through AI editing, and then I got 2 more things of editing. So I'm going to guess, what is it? I'm going to guess by the end of the year. That's what I'm guessing, by the end of this year.
Maybe by the time we post this, whether I'm posting it, you guys are posting it, whatever we're going to do, maybe we'll have a date at that time.
Let's say December 2024. If it's not out by then, I'm going to be pissed.
So just look directly at the camera, go order my book at Amazon called...
Yeah, perfect.
Pre-order it.
Yeah, hey, pre-order the book From Foster Care to Millionaire
on Amazon
right now. Thank you so much.
That's awesome. And Tony, we can look for in the next 4 years. So be looking for that.
Tony, we're gonna re-release.
He doesn't even know the title yet.
I thought no, I did have some titles in mind, and then I like looked them up, and I was like, oh, people have already used those titles.
Yep.
And so like a lot of it was just like skip the line or like use these techniques or like steal from me or like something like that where it's just like, hey, borrow my knowledge to get further ahead and get to where you want to go faster.
Mine's going to be called How to Creative Finance NFTs.
How to become a millionaire with NFTs. That'd be a how-to. Chicken Noop for the NFT soul.
Well, this is great, guys. Appreciate you.